The app era might be ending soon, and most people haven't realized this yet. I mean, take a look at your phone right now. You have different apps for banking, emailing, schedule, music, transportation. Every app has different buttons, different layouts, different learning curves. Humans are adapting to software, but AI flips that. AI agents actually flips that. Instead of learning how 50 different apps work, you just talk. Book me a flight for next week Friday. Send 2,000 to David. Find the cheapest hotel near the event. Reply that email professionally. No menu, no dashboard, no hunting for buttons. The interface now becomes conversations. An AI agent isn't just ChatGPT answering questions. It can actually do things. It can access tools. It can use apps. It can make decisions on its own. It can complete tasks and connect services together like a digital assistant that never sleeps. Apps probably would not completely disappear, but many of them will become invisible infrastructures like electricity. You stop thinking about the system and focus more on the results.